last year, I started speaking to Golgan, and she was absolutely amazing and wonderful and put me at ease. I came out in May 2019. I started extensive work. I had 8 implants and 12 zirconium crowns fitted on the bottom. I had a temporary 3D plate put on the top, which covered the majority of the top. We are now in November and I am back, and my treatment has finally finished and I have a full smile. Thanks to Myra, thanks to Golgan, thank you to Dr. Erdem. He's very funny, he's very sweet, he's very cheeky, he's a charmer, and he's very sweet, and he's took a lot of flack from me. But they have a good sense of humour here, and they understand what it is, the fact that you can smile again, and it's really important. And for me, at my age, I'm finally here, and I finally sorted my teeth out. And it's very emotional, and it's amazing, and it's all thanks to Myra. Thank you.